Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and play around with draft. And I know you guys are familiar with fillet. Fillet kind of gives a rounded finish to an edge. What draft does is kind of extends a face towards a pull direction. So it makes it seem more sharp, and obtuse, or acute angle. What we want to recreate right now is this little moon-like shape in the master sword. And as you can see, it has 4 drafted edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and get started with a sketch on the front plane. I like to use ellipse for this part, and I'm just kind of eyeballing what my radius would be. Something like that, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with the fit point spline from one end to the middle to the other end, and that is going to be your body. So we're going to go ahead and extrude that, let's say -3. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and go to modify, draft. For the pull direction, you really want to select the back, and let's get started with the top face. So now you need a right view on your figure, and you can adjust the angle as you see fit. And I think a -20 would be nice. So we go back to the front view and we see that that's about half of the shape. So I think -20 will do just fine. So we click OK, and now we're gonna go to modify, draft once again. Select the back as the pull direction, but now we select the bottom face. And Fusion right now is telling me, hey, I can't do an angle of 20, so it can probably do less, right? So that's -15, and we want this little flat surface to go away. So it can maybe do -16, 17, okay, we're getting really close, 17.5. There we go, perfect. There's basically no flat surface, right? Like both faces are now touching. So we click OK. And now that we have this body, we're gonna go ahead and move /copy. And we're gonna move it downwards. And there we go, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 drafted edges. So let's bring back the photo into view, and yeah, looks pretty similar to me.